I know.
Very big. Much bigger than whoever wants to, you can give him that. This one and that one. You can have this one facing here, then the other side. Come to the facing of the other. No, you open here. You open here, the whole of this, and here. You open this place to make a self.
Shanna kuri ko wale ba kuriya. Area side ya bakazi, side ya basi. So, byo ni shanna.
Batubarire twine companies zatubarire bageta JMK ne ya Kampala bo consultants bitu twinabo kutukorera architecture ebyo kumbeka aba architects aba arch designers nabona ba Kampala kuba abarire twasanga ngo akatara kutwenda kumbeka ari akemyaro mushanjo ne kamara ho billion 80
Rede kujana hiba kutekanisa tuzayo tukoreyo kuisya ayo tubatugaruzo mukataru
katika tugamba ukonde ko sente zabo zakirwa zikozesubwaje kandi zirinumbitabo kurunje munonga kandi ko kirkwetagisa tariho umuntu wakuyurugayo akagira ngo sente zabo zikozesibwa kubi ninga nayetombuita ahabwe sente ze ngo tuzimuzere mugasho
ndimusanyifu nnyo nze ng'omubaka wa President Robert Kanusu akikirira ekitundu kino nti abantu aba bulijjo private sector bavuddeyo okukwasiza ku government omulamwa ogw'okukyusa ebibuga bino nga tuzimba structures ezigenda okuyamba abantu okukyusa obulamu bw'ebibuga kye bayita urbanization change an urbanization livelihood change ng'abantu private sector is driving it. Chicho government chebadde lwanirira emyaka gino gyonna 30 ti government yatekawo framework netekawo security netekawo nezimba enguudo nereta amasanyalaze ne internet n'ebirala naye kati gwe muntu wa bulijjo private sector muyingiriddewa mu framework eno okulaba nti obulamu bwaffe bwennyini bukyuka.